What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here's our Mondo right here. So today what we're gonna be doing is installing this new steering wheel we just got. Comment below what you guys think
The next upgrade should be.
So before we start, we're gonna disconnect the battery. Give me a second. That way there's no power running through there, since we are going to be taking away the steering wheel.
No, the one I'm up.
Even though it doesn't have any airbags.
Alright, what up, y'all? So right now we're gonna take off this airbag plate. There's no airbag in here, so we're all good, but there's two bolts that have to be taken off. They're gonna be star screws. There's one right here, and then there's one on the other side up here. So there is two little, it's gonna be right here. It's in there. You'll see, yeah, y'all see it. There's two little caps, little plastic caps that you gotta take off. Really easy if you have a little screwdriver, even with your fingernail. It is what it is. So, don't mind the crooked steering wheel. My car needs an alignment. So right now, we're just gonna take off these screws. So we got one. Boom. And on there. Woo! Alright. Cool. We didn't strip nothing yet. Bolt number 2. Boom. There's nothing in there.
So if you do have an airbag, just be careful because this is attached to it.
Yeah.
So,
But I don't. Alright. I need a, what is that, 14?
yeah.
14. You'll need a 14. It's only one bolt. Usually you should be able to pull it out. It's pretty easy. Just bang it a couple times. Boom, boom, boom.
Alright, so I got him the 14 with the extension right here. Yes, sir.
Boom. You mind holding this?
Yeah.
That's it. Once it's loose, don't tighten it. My bad. There you go. Oh, bolt comes right out. Save that one for later because we might need it for the next one. Should just be able to. Not coming out.
Alright guys, so if you guys don't have one of these, this is pretty much to pull a steering wheel out. So you can find these at your local store, your auto parts store or something. They usually have them there. So what you're gonna need is this. For the Acura Rsx, you need two 12s and maybe a washer. That way the screws don't bend right here, curve in. So what you're gonna do is you have these two bolts right here. Make sure it's flat, and then you're gonna get your 12s. Two of them each on each side. And then we're just gonna tighten them real quick. So for my tool, it is gonna need a 17. And then you just get your ratchet. Is it clockwise? Right?
Like if you're tightening it, I believe.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
There it is.
Oh, man, it popped out?
Yeah.
Woo!
It was a little scary, but no, there's it just goes into these grooves right here. So sometimes you can see this one's all rusted. So it was probably just sticking onto it. Normally it isn't that hard to take off, but
I ain't gonna lie, my heart sank right there.
nah, it's all good. It's
This is the first time I'm taking off a steering wheel, so word. Check it out, guys.
Ooh, pretty much. It's a piece of shit anyways. I don't need it.
Bloop, bloop. Now we're gonna get to the good stuff. This hub from NRG. Check it out.
For my
Beauty
boys
right
over
there.
at the almost shop.
So then, if you have a horn, you pretty much wire these up. Which I don't think he does have a horn.
Haven't had a horn since I bought the car. It's alright.
And we also picked up this quick release.
Does it ding?
Ding! Does it ding?
I don't know.
We don't know if it dings or not. But we did end up picking up this quick release. It's NRG as well.
We're looking firme.
Beauty right here.
So much for a beauty.
I didn't know that popped out like that.
It's high. Yeah, so that one's gonna go in those grooves right there. Should feel perfect.
Let's put it with the numbers facing up, right?
Yeah.
How's
the wheels are straight.
okay?
I made sure that way. Yeah, just make sure this one's like.
You just want to make sure it's pretty tight on there, because that's your steering wheel, man. You want to make sure that thing's...
Alright guys, so now that we put the hub all together, you're gonna disassemble the quick release, and this melt piece is gonna come out, and we're gonna install this to our hub. So make sure it's all straight and centered.
Just gonna install 6 screws real quick.
Also came with a L wrench. So as you can see the L wrench, we're just gonna tighten them all up real quick. Make sure to just get them flat first, and then we'll do a star pattern to tighten it up. Alright, so we're gonna start top, bottom, left, down, left again, and then up. Now all we gotta do is hook up the quick release to my brother's steering wheel. So the way this one's gonna go, like this, same thing, we're just gonna repeat the process. But for his, we're gonna have to go pick up some bolts right now since we forgot to buy them. So we're gonna head up to our local hardware store and pick them up real quick.
Alright.
Real quick.
What about for a GTR?
Ready to pick up your bolts, my boy?
Yes, sir. Always something. Missing something.
Never goes as planned, huh?
This side. Damn, for a wheelbarrow? Dude, I can make one for like $10.
Cap, let's see it.
I'll go show you guys where to get the parts. I'm just kidding.
Sweet, we got them. Boom.
I think that's what I'm gonna do.
How to buy them and then take them back.
Just put a sticker over here. Until I get a horn. Just checking to see which way this thing is gonna click at. So you could do that just by twisting it. You just want to make sure that it's gonna go where it has to go. Boom. Perfect. Look at that thing. Oh dang.
You can just do it right there, you know that, right?
Just do it right here.
Make it easier for yourself. Oh, it's the dings.
Okay.
So same thing, we're just gonna repeat another
Star
6
pattern.
star pattern. Star pattern. Ugh. There's another 6 small bolts.
Yes, sir. I don't have a horn on it because when they sold me a steering wheel, I guess I didn't ask for one. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna put a sticker over it temporarily just so it looks kind of not ugly. I mean, I might just leave it. Who knows? But then I'm gonna get black bolts too because silver ones kind of stand out on it a little bit.
They look a little tacky.
Just a little bit, yeah. But they'll do just to be able to drive it, hold the build together. But you know, you're using the proper tools because you don't want to be stripping stuff out here. So Harbor Freight, bro. Harbor Freight. Everyone hates on it. We love Harbor Freight, bro. Out here.
You want to give them a little tight. You don't want to overdo it. You don't want to strip your bolts either. So you just want to make sure that it's nice and snug, so the bolts are holding nice and tight.
And that's it. If you had a horn, you would put the horn on right here. But since I don't, it is what it is. Damn. This looks sick.
Got everything set up. The last thing you want to do is hook up your battery back. Give this boy a test drive.